We are studying the strong verbs in its three forms. So, the next we have here is, let's look at H. In the H letter, the words we have here are hang. Mommy hanged clothes. Hang, hung, hung. Okay. In the present we have hang. You hang things on a hanger. You hung. Finish doing, hung. But in the past participle also, the same sound, hung. Past and past participle, same. Hang, hung, hung. Hide. You play hide and seek, so you hide. You hid somewhere and you have hidden yourself. Hide, hid, hidden. Hide. You hid yourself. Hid. Hidden. Hide, hid, and hidden. Next, hold. You hold something in your hand. You held. You hold a book. You held a book. You had held. Hold, held, both present and past participle. Past and past participle, it is both held. So, hold is for the present, held is for the past. You change the inside verb, but in the past participle also, it is held. Hold, held, held. Okay. Next we have, let's look at in K. In K, what are the words we have here? Let's look at it. No. No. You know. You knew. You have known. No. Knew. Known. No. You change here, knew, the inside vowel, and you have known. No, known, knew. Then you have another one, L. In the L letter, let's see, one single word we have, lie. You lie down when you are very weak. Lie, lay. You lay down, lie, lay, lain, or laid. Next, we go into R. You have ride, rode, ridden. In R, you have ride. You ride your bicycle. Ride. You have rode on your bicycle, and you have ridden on a bicycle. Ridden. Ride, rode, and ridden. Ring. The bell rings. Ring. The bell rang. Bell has rung. So ring, rang, rung. Ring. Something, bell ring. Rang. You change the I. Rang. Bell rang when you entered the school. And finally, rung. Bell had rung. Rise. Rise, rose, risen. The sun rise in the morning. Sun rose. Sun has risen. Rise, rose, risen. Rise, rose, and risen. Run. You run in a race. You ran in a race and you had run. So, run, ran, again it is run. You had run. Run. You run in a race. You ran. ran, and the past participle, again it is run. Okay? We are looking at the strong verbs in its three forms: present, past, and past participle. Hang, hung, again hung. Hide, hid, hidden. Hold, held, held. Know, you know. Knew and known. Lie, lay, lain. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Finally, run, ran, and again run. We have got some more to do in the study of strong verbs and its three forms.